His presence is near. The wicked rise up, try to bring me low. Jah foundation strong like a mountain it grows. In Jah I put my trust, why you say to me, flee like a bird to the mountain, set your spirit free. For the wicked bend their bow, they make their arrow tight, ready for shooting at darkness against the heart of the upright. If the foundations crumble, what can righteous do? But Jah in his holy temple, his throne forever true. His eyes behold the children, his eyelids test the soul. He knows who's walking righteous and who's in wicked control. Jah reign from heaven, his judgment sure. He tests the righteous, their hearts stay pure. But the wicked shall face that fiery rain, brimstone and storm they can't sustain. Jah love the righteous way, his countenance shine upon the upright, forever divine. The righteous man Jah tests, but he hold him in his hand. The wicked and the one who love violence can't stand. Upon them he rain fire, brimstone and burning wind, a portion of their cup for the evil they bring in. But Jah love the righteous deeds, he's the light of the day. His face shine bright upon them, guiding the way. So me hold firm to truth, let the wicked be gone. For in Jah righteousness, my soul carry on. Jah reign from heaven, his judgment sure. He tests the righteous, their hearts stay pure. But the wicked shall face that fiery rain, brimstone and storm they can't sustain. Jah love the righteous way, his countenance shine